Hi everybody, welcome back. So we have a new fun project that we're going to do. We're going to do a bar top retro arcade pie build we're going to do. So this gentleman right here, he's very excited, and this is his first delivery for the first box for this project. And you tell us a little bit. You want to say anything?
Just super excited. We've got like a pretty cool theme. It's my first one, I'm just super excited.
Awesome. So he is doing a Batman type theme. So let's see, let's unbox this and let's take a look. All right, everybody. So, thanks to Game Room Solutions for helping us with the shell for this. This is the shell. You can just put it against here. Yep, like that. Here's the whole entire kit. That's the bead to go around the outside. There's some more of the shell right there. Yep, these are all the boxes, all the buttons, and all the LEDs that he's got. Do that over here. It's like Christmas all over again.
Yeah. Early Christmas or late Christmas?
Yeah. What we got up? Okay, so we got our amplifier that we got here. Got all our pie and all our cables for it. All right, all our buttons. Oh, nice. So we got LED and chrome ones. Okay. All right. All the hardware for it. Yep. Oh, we have the lighted joysticks. These are so nice, everybody. These are gonna be awesome. They're gonna have LEDs on the top of them.
I can't wait to see this build.
So we're gonna take you through the whole step of how we build this whole unit, step by step. Not only are we gonna build this for him, but he's also gonna have a video for all this too, so that's exciting. Alright, let's see what we got here. Fire power supplies, probably.
Oh yeah.
Yep, we got the power supplies for the pie and the other stuff, and LEDs. Those are all power supplies.
Right.
Okay. More cables. More wiring. Yep. That's your speakers, your power, your cables for it.
So all that stuff.
And all the screws. Nice. Oh, and it even comes with a power strip in there. Look at that. They thought of everything and it goes inside, so that's actually awesome that they did that. These guys at Game Solution, they do an incredible job with their kits that they have. So let's open the wood up, because I think it has graphics pre-applied to it already. So let's take a look at the side pieces here so we can see what theme he went with. Nice and gently. Oh my gosh, let's pull those out. Let's take a look at those. Oh wow, it went with the Batman theme.